Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A10s, and today I will show you all modes and settings that you can find in camera in this smartphone. And first I'm going to start from the modes. So as you can see, we got here the live focus, photo mode, video, and in the more we can find panorama and also pro mode. And here we can also find the sticker mode. Right now we can go for the settings, and in the settings we can find mirror effect from the front camera, HDR, we can change size of our video from the front and the rear camera, we can activate grid lines, location tags, we can also change shuttering methods like volume key, we can add floating shutter button, show palm to take picture on the front camera. And here we get also the quick launch of our camera, so when we double press power key we are able to open this camera. We can simply reset all of the settings right here. What we can apply more, for example the timer. So when you set it on the 2 seconds and when you press the shutter, after 2 seconds the photo will be taken. It also works on the video mode. Here we can quickly change the aspect ratio, we can add flashlight to get more brightness on our video, and basically that's all. So if you find this tutorial useful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.